Oh boy, we got the Mini Max. Uh-oh. Raptor, Rock's RZR, got the trail car, Grandpa, got the pups, got the RV. Oh, we got 2 more cars back there. Look at that view. This is probably one of the best camping spots we've ever been at. We're here in the Ottawa National Forest area, and we're gonna camp here for a while. I'm right here in the UP. Got the tent, got the RV, got all the rigs, got the fam, pups. What do you think of this spot?
It's pretty awesome.
This is a nice spot.
Got the woods, got the water.
What else can you ask for?
Yeah. Great company.
Yeah. So we got just a classic KRX, got the Rock's RZR, the Scrub, got the Turbo, and we got the XP 1000 trail car, and the Raptor. We're gonna hopefully get some video of that. That's gonna be awesome. Wyatt let me borrow his tire carrier, so got an extra tire just in case. And yeah, we're ready to rip. We're gonna really been to this part of the UP. We're at the western part of the UP near Wisconsin. We're near Kenton, but we're really excited. Haven't been to this part of the UP, at least riding. We haven't been to this part of the UP, so excited to see what happens, and hopefully you guys will like this content. All right, let's go look at this view. I haven't gone down here yet, but we're right next to a little lake. It is beautiful, absolutely gorgeous down here. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. So calm and peaceful. Well, we're in a little bit of a predicament. I'm never gonna hear the end of this again. I think the signs should have told me not to go through this without a winch, but you know, I like to live frivolously. And so now the Scrub and Grandpa, they have the 2 winches. I think it's gonna take 2 of us to pull it out, because at that time by the time they get here, probably gonna be suctioned down into the dirt here. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. So they should be here hopefully in 20 minutes or so, and hopefully they can get us out. I can tell, as you can see, there's been a lot of mishaps here, so that should have been my first sign. This is supposed to be just a joyride. We're at a new campsite right now. The wifey's very happy right now. At least I can walk here. My plan was to... I'm probably going to slip. My plan was to ride this bank and then this non-rutted area. And I did pretty good until I got to here. Something pushed me over to the side, and I almost got it out one time, and then I got bottomed out right there. And yeah, this stuff's kind of sticky. I'm probably hung up on vegetation, and ugh.
Poor Clara's all muddy after she just got a bath.
She'd be all right. We'll see what the back is. I heard the muffler go under the water a couple times. Hopefully the engine isn't... Oh yeah, the engine ain't gonna fill up with water, so that's good. All right, we're golden. Hopefully the clutch is sealed up enough that...
Looks like it's about to rain.
And it might rain. That's just fun. And of course I didn't bring any of the cameras, so I'll have to have someone record with my phone. But yeah.
I'm not moving.
Yeah, I'm already knee deep in mud. You will remember this moment for the rest of your life. That's all that matters. That's all that matters. This is why we come up to these UP trips, because the riding is so much fun up here. I see headlights! Woo, saviors! They're coming. He's hitting the first couple mud holes. Yep. Their grandpa smoked that one. Woo! Gosh.
We're feeling really optimistic.
Well, I hugged the shoulder there, and then I got sucked right into the middle. I almost had it.
Oh my God.
give it too much throttle because you tear shit up.
For traction.
Yeah, you got one.
Yeah, I can put my feet down now. Woohoo! Oh, that's thick. That is thick stuff. Woo! Hey.
Nice and easy.
Woohoo!
First day on the trails, found an awesome side trail here. Woo! I'm just gonna take a break. Are you on the dash? What's going on here? Are you?
He's been riding on a dash.
Our dog wants to ride. He's been riding.
Whoa! Oh! You want them running around?
Yeah.
Glare bear! Oh, feel the scrub. Uh-oh, Brock's got a fang light. You got a fang light. What the heck is that?
I don't know, I was crawling on my leg.
What is that? I think that's a what is that bug?
What the hell? Oh.
Keeping up back there?
Oh yeah. I have to wait for him quite a bit.
Oh. How's it going, Bree?
Good now, I got my licorice.
Oh my gosh, been craving that the whole ride.
Mm-hmm. I'm fat and happy now.
Oh my gosh. Dad's removing his lower doors. We might do the same. It's good brisk 85 degrees out right now. So maybe get some airflow through the doors right there and help keep us a little bit cooler. Dogs are hot too.
Give it to me.
He did it! We still got more. I don't know how bad it is.
Give it to me.
Predicament here. First, we got ball tires on the KRX. They ain't helping. think, Claire Bear? Oh, was that fun?
Just like, get me out of here.
Have to use our water and wipe off our windshield a little bit. We got a spray
That
bottle.
was a mighty rough.
It was. Oh, here Brock. What a scrub. I hope he got stuck. Woo!
Savior of the days, right?
You can't even keep up with us. What's going on here?
Taking my time,
Ah.
enjoying the moment.
Ah.
You can go down by the water.
You can snap on and get crossed.
Oh.
So there ain't nothing here to cross it
Nope.
except for that bridge.
That's it. No.
Yep. Come on, boy. I'd like to see you get across. I'll pull you.
I'm sure you'd like to.